Hi, it's Brother Joy Vegas, and I am back in Vegas for Memorial Day weekend. Lots of fun stuff in store for you. Here is a room tour. We're staying at Harrahs. So here we go. Open the door. Bathroom when you first come in. Light on. Bathroom. Shower. We like Harrahs for quick jaunts when we come out here. The rooms are really nice. Say hello, Paul.
Hello.
To the home viewing audience. Here we go. I keep saying nice bed, closet, and we have a pool view. And it is packed, as you can see. Memorial Day weekend and everything. It is packed. And we're right by the high roller. And here's the other side. Paul again. Here is the other side of it. There's a TV on two sides. It's a very spacious room. And there you go. So more fun to behold over the weekend. More fun stuff to show you. Stay joyful, everyone. Bye. I don't know why I always do. I don't know why.